Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create motion blur effect in CapCut special for PC. So for instance, I'm going to add the video to the track and to add the motion blur effect you mm, like you create on mobile apps. So going to effect and select body effect, and you can select clone and just select phantom, add to the track, and just for duration in the same link with the video. You can see for the final result. So I think it's a trick like you create motion blur on CapCut mobile. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.